How's it going, guys? I've just done all that and it wasn't even fucking, I was muted. Yo, what's up, Darko? How you doing? That is very frustrating. I've got to do that again. Basically, 3,004. We got the 3,400 level mapped out. We've seen it spike over here, the 3405/3404. That's the previous highs, and the wick out is the 3,400 level. You're looking to catch sells probably down below to the previous on the 1H. Let's put it up quick just to get overall market direction. Next retest to fill the gap liquidity is the 3350. So we're looking at sells all the way back down to 3350, but we could jump in right now here on the 5 mins as we come up already to the 3,400 level. We open up the sell limit. We go 3,404 right there. We do a stop loss 50 pips, and you could do a profit level target at like 3,990 if you wanted to, or 3,994, which is 100 pips. 94, there we go, which is a 100 pip trade. I'm currently holding out the 3,400 and also the 3,404, looking to catch this for this trade to now move to the downside. Let's see how it plays out. I'm in sells right now. Could be a risky sell, but I'm just aiming for this major level to be wicked and then catch sells back down to the 350 level, 3,500 level down here, which hopefully we can touch. So yeah, the sell bias is basically because we touched that major level. We've seen it touch up once. So we need to see how it plays out. I mean, retest could be at 3,982. So we're looking at for it to sell down at this level right now. Let's catch 5 out of 5 for the stream, boys. We need to catch 5 out of 5 for the stream. Make sure you jump in. Four out. Thing is, we definitely will pull back anyway to the 3,396. Definitely. So big sells if we can catch them. That's the truth. Need to flip to the downside and then push below to collect liquidity. That's the plan of action here. Catching the sells on stream, that's how you do it, boys. You gotta catch them live. So you're going to give the codes today? Not today. MT5 server's down, so we're just replacing it right now with another one, so no code drops today, unfortunately. But tomorrow there will be. Right now we're just holding out these fucking sells. Expecting big sells to the downside. Currently at the 3,400 major level right now. We're seeing it wick out to the 3,404. Now should catch sells to the downside. Looking at the previous lower highs, which is around the 3,390 area, which would be 100 to 150 pips. But overall as well, market direction wise, if we go on the 1H, we're looking at sells to touch the 3,357 area from here to move down. And yeah, liquidity grab here, which would be very, very nice if we catch that, which is like a 600, 500 pip trade. Has big potential to hold that and catch it, so we'll see how it plays out. But right now we're just looking on the 5-minute time frame and waiting for the trade to go into my buyers sells, and then obviously make some serious money today. I'm currently minus right now, but that's fine. Market hasn't flipped up yet or flipped down, so this is still a good hold. It's a good trade to enter into. We'll be looking for that rejection though for sure. How's everyone's day going today? Anyone been trading today? Made any money? You still trading Diaco as well? Come on, let's see it crash. Hasn't started to crash yet, that's the thing. We're waiting for that flip. Hopefully the flip comes in. Be very nice. Even a retest back down to this 3398 level would be very nice. Move SL entry on both trades risk free. Sells are risky, but I mean, I'd rather sell than buy here. That's all I'm telling you. Still waiting for that trade to flip, and when it starts to flip, it would be very nice. Some good profit to be made. And this will be 5 out of 5 on my live stream so far, boys, if we catch this trade. I wouldn't say they're back to normal today, but it seems like they're moving quite nicely right now with gold. So we decided to jump in. If there's a trade opportunity, you jump in and take it. You wait for the setup, and then you jump in. We haven't seen it bleed just yet. We've seen it come up, break, but break above. Now we need to see where the sellers are going to act in. Buyers are going to start closing, hopefully, their positions. More selling volume. I'm in profit right now on that 3404 entry, which is good. Now it's a waiting game. We've still got New York in an hour, that's the thing. So we still have New York session to open, which could be very eventful with gold, I tell you that for a fact. Very eventful. So trading's a waiting game. We've got to wait it out, see what happens. Hold your mindset and then go again. New hour in 6 minutes. This is where the trade's going to start flipping. Big hour ahead. The 1 PM hour. Massive hour. We're either going to hit a sell or smash take profit, that's for sure. Right now, gold is at an all-time high. It's never been here before. How crazy is that? We are witnessing history. Can we see the trade to start flipping now? New 5 mins coming in. Our candle opens in 5 mins, new one, so market should start moving into our direction, that's for sure. Just goes all the way up to 4,000 from here, I can just feel it. GG. This is a 15 mins. These are all areas that we can touch. Come on, we need to get this trade in. We need to hit 5 out of 5 for the stream. That would be very nice. I'd love that. Kill the last 30 mins, bro. So bullish this hour. Touched in and then just flew. You can withdraw, of course you can. If you don't break the rules, then you're absolutely fine. Gold's so bullish now. It is, but it's an all-time high, so. At that 3,400 level broken out into, we need to see how it reacts here. We've got a new hour opening in 3 minutes, and this hour's being completely bullish. So we likely should see some price retracement, hopefully. That's my plan of action. We're in at here. Big, nice entry point for sales, in my opinion. If it goes in my direction, then I'm a sniper king. If it doesn't, then it's a loss, and then we have to go again. But this is for 5 out of 5 live on stream. I want to see if I can keep this win streak up. Be good if we could. I mean, I'm happily will close at 3397 if I'm honest with you, chat. Just to secure, keep the win streak up. It's a good sell point here, I believe. Currently in. I'm down a bit right now, but that's fine. I've got in at the 3,400 and the 3,403. There's no code drops today, Lee, mate. I've got a 20.0 lot. We've got 1 minute to the new hour. Could you imagine if we fucking tap us out within seconds, it opens up? I'm praying it does the opposite and just fucking plummets down. New hour's coming. Here we go, boys. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Big sales coming. New 1H is open 1 PM. New York open soon as well. What is gonna fucking happen here, chat? This is intense. Come on, sell off. Bro, there's no codes drop. Stop asking. Or I'll just time you out. Or I'll just hide you. I've already said there's no code drops. Like 4 times. Alright, come on. Let's see what happens here. 1 PM. You can get payout. Why are you asking for a code if you're then hating on the prop? Doesn't make sense, does it? $3,405. Alright, big sales coming. Here we go. There's many people that have gifted accounts which make payout. Alright, 3405. Let's go. Big sales. Here we go.
Hello.
Where are you? Just gotta wait for it to happen. Touch and go. Hour opened and it's still bullish. It's not a good sign. Still got to hold out the trade. Believe in the overall analysis, chat. That's all you got to do. Right now, I mean, it's not selling, so you can't say it's a sell, but that's just how it is. Be careful. Maybe it's gonna sweep London. Yeah, I reckon I can get a safe close though at this 3397. That's what I'm praying for. Trying to get a quick close at this 3397. Nice secured trade. It's either gonna sweep or it's gonna continue, you know? That's just the fucking trading. You're hoping though that we can just create some lows. Pushed up, created new highs on the 1H, but then sells back down here for the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes. That'd be nice. Because it's a major level, so it's an area where the gold can react off too. We need to liquidity grab on the 1H back down to this level. This 3357. So like major level to major level in the range. You've seen it come up. Now we need to pull back to this liquidity grab for then further buys to make all-time highs. Sweep out all these old buyers here. And basically the trade from here goes down to the next level where the liquidity grab is. And then the trade will make another all-time high. That's basically the objective and the plan of action for this trade. And now we've just got to execute it. But we're just looking just to make some quick profit for today. No need to hold a 500 pip trade for today. I'm just happy to secure some profit on this Easter Monday. So let's see if we can catch these sales here, back down to the 3397 and secure some nice pips. In and out trade, less than, you know, 30 minutes to an hour in it. No need to over trade. Yeah, we're targeting the liquidity, mate. We've already seen also on this 1H, we've seen it create new highs, which is fine. Because now you're thinking, okay, well, we're going to pull that back to this range just to collect orders. So let's pray that we do. Not seen much so far, but still have time. Nice. We're still in drawdown, but obviously we've not created new lows yet. So once we create some new lows and take out the previous lower highs, we just start melting back down. So I'll take profit, and then we're going to probably bounce off this. So let's just wait and play out this this break below this 3405 level, which it seems to be hopefully losing momentum for the buys. We can go bearish for a bit. Yo, what's up, MRKK? I mean, currently on the 15 minutes we're reacting off lower highs, but again, I'm not worried. $3,405 right now. Not much has happened. New 1H has been open for 7 minutes. Let's see if we can start seeing some bearish movement now to close this 15 mins. Might look bullish, mate, but there's an analysis behind the sells. That's why you take the trade. You've got to believe in your analysis. We're currently 4 out of 4 live on stream. This is going to make us 5 out of 5. You've got to keep in mind that we've got a nice psychological major level at 3,400. This is potentially known as a sniper entry to grab liquidity to the downsides at the 4,000 level. So we're going to look to grab here maybe, or even down here. Let's see what happens here. Hopefully it should be a secure take profit, and then another good day trading live on stream. Another W secured, another win streak down the on the charts. It'll be a nice quick in and out trade, less than an hour holding. Very nice. Not much drawdown running too. Should start selling until New York open. That's my plan. Finally coming out of drawdown into profits, which is good to see. Breaking previous lower highs. Hopefully we can keep moving down to that 3,400 level down here. New 5 mins opening, currently 110. Big sells, 10 pips in profit. Come on, nice. That's what we want to see. A touch, continue to sell. Touched here on the body, continues to sell on the 5 mins. Looks like we're hunting down. Currently out of drawdown now. We want to see fat sells to the downside. 15 mins. Be interesting to see how this breaks. Ted, get off. 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 Stop. New 15 mins opens in 4 minutes time, so let's see what happens on this. Currently got the 15, big momentum, new hour open, we've touched. Are we going to pull back on the next 15 minutes? This could be huge for the trade, huge for the setup. New York open soon, but as you can see, we're not now at this highs on the 3407s. We're now back into profit. So have we seen the buys push up, and now we're going to start seeing the selling momentum? That is the target. Target's the 3397 right here for the touch. But in all honesty, brother, I'm looking for liquidity grab here at the 3356 overall. So we'll see how it takes place. You were looking blurred. How about now? It's not the best camera, let's be real. But it's not even that bad. It's not that deep. I'm having a lazy day today. But when I saw this trade place out in the markets, I had to press live and start hitting on the trade, share it to the groups, because when there's a market opportunity, doesn't matter what day of the month it is, doesn't matter if it's fucking Christmas, even though markets are shut, we're trading, we're jumping in. Money's money. Means I can wait for another setup to take place if this trade comes in and we hit another W. Running in nice profits so far. Two minutes into a new 15-minute candle. We're going to break below maybe on this 15 mins. Holy shit, here we go. This is it. New 15 mins, we're sinking. Very true, MRK. I've already said it twice today already to you. Come on. Let's go back down. This is it. This is nice. We're in good profit so far. 15 pips in profit is nice. I've made a reel for the breakdown, which will be out on my Instagram, but I'll do it in a sec. I need to see how this trade plays out. There we go. New 15 mins is coming. We made new loads. We're going to touch down here before we go long anyway on the next 15 mins. If it goes long. I'm still hoping for bigger sells. There we go. New 5 mins. New 15 mins. This is big. Come on, let's catch it. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Don't do this to me. Here we go. That was the liquidity touch. Bro, I don't want to give away. Only I hear a vacuum. You probably hear my PC, not a vacuum. Or it's the missus. The missus putting in the shift, mate. But I don't want to give away codes, bro. So if I don't want to give away codes, I don't care about the viewers. I literally couldn't care. I'm not streaming to become a famous trader. Streaming to hit a nice win streak and create a reel. And if anyone wants to jump on the trade whilst I watch a stream, they can. Do I look like a charity? No. Come on, fucking sell. Let's see it. Let's see it. Got my dog barking. Shush. Will you come inside? You coming in? Oh my god. It's alright, I just screamed. I just screamed. Oh my god, what's happened to the trades? Oh no. Sweet Jesus, please. Help me. Help me. Please. It's an easy W. He has a trade like this and still says it's an easy W. What is wrong with him? We ain't scared, that's for sure. Not even scared the slightest, boys. You wait until that New York session opens. It's gonna be fucking crazy. Oh my god! What? Here we go. I told you, boys, something's gonna fucking happen. This is it. Come on, the sales, mate. That's all we fucking need. To go 4 out of 4 live on trading. Come on. My SL is 3-4-10, so we do have a little bit of a wheelay. We do have a little bit of leeway up here, but that's it. So fucking fingers crossed, boys. This is coming in. Otherwise, we got an L today, and it's a shame, but it happens in trading too. I am confident that we're going to hit the sells though, so otherwise I wouldn't have called the trade. That's a fact. Here we go. What's this? What's happening? Hold on a second. What account you trading on, bro? Got a 200k account right now, which is funded, and I'm up 66,000 so far, which is pretty big. Come on, fucking set off, man. Come on, set off. This is it. This is what we wanted. Not even joking, this is what we wanted. Like, mad. Big sells TP next candle. Amen. Come on, chat. This is what we do. All live on stream as well. Come on. Make sure to put W's when you do actually get the trade done. Here we go. This is it, boys. We're about to fucking melt to take profit. And just like that, we've done 5 out of 5 nearly. Here we go. Unbelievable. They can't fucking stop us, chat. They can't fucking stop us. Huge sales incoming. Here we fucking go. I know. Just gotta wait patiently. Just gotta wait patiently, chat. Wait for those big sales to come. Nearly out of drawdown too, which is fantastic. On the account, I had a 3,400 entry and a 3,404 entry, and we're nearly out, which is a fantastic feeling. Can't even lie. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! It's fucking melting. It's melting. This is it, boys. Come on. Here we go. Oh my god. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. 3,400 right now. 30 more pips and we're out. Come on. Believe. Come on, claps here. 3,400 claps. Oh my god, get my phone out quick. Please. 20 more pips and we're out. 20 more pips and we're out, chat. Keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding. Right, fuck it, close out. Bank the profits. It's over 50 pips right now. Bank the profits. Close to 3,404. Fucking boom. Let's go. Huge. Huge. Absolutely huge. That's what we fucking do. W's in the chat. W's in the fucking chat. That's what we do. So we've already secured a 50 pip trader at a 3,404. Bosh. It's fucking huge. Closed. Nice chat. Let's fucking go. Good shit. GG's. I'm closing the 3,400 as well, chat. Close for 15 pips. It's a good area. We don't need to hold out trades. We've made profit from the markets today. That's it. We're done. We're done. That's all we needed. GG's in the chat. W's. 5 out of 5. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. We can't be beaten. Secured over 65 pips there. Look at that trade. What did we fucking say? What did we say? It's going to touch here. Held it out. Another great start to the week. Another W on stream. 5 out of 5. What can we say? GG's in the fucking chat, boys. GG's in the chat. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy TJ. I'll catch you in the next stream. 5 out of 5.